Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, welcome back to Demystifying Guitar Series with Mbapenge. And today we are doing lesson 4, where we're going to look at chord shifting, moving from one chord to another. So, based on the previous chords that I've taught you, we'll use the key of G, since we have our G as our 1, our C as our chord 4, our D as our chord 5, and our E minor as chord 6. So it's important to understand. So we are going to shift from those 4 chords that we have learned previously. And the trick to shifting chords is, first you need to master the shapes. Your fingers need to memorize the shapes. You need the muscle memory to be able to memorize the shape of the chords in such a way that you can play the chords without looking at the guitar. Because while learning, it is obvious to each learner that while shifting chords, they normally do it this way. This is what I also did when I was learning. So you play your G, you're looking at the guitar, G, then you go to C, you look, you play your C. So it kind of breaks. So to shift seamlessly, you need to practice, memorize the shapes that you can play with your eyes closed. That is muscle memory. And the only way to get muscle memory is by practice. So there is a basic rule that you can use to be able to shift these things, to shift these chords easily. And this rule is by understanding the fingers that don't move when you're playing the chords. For example, we're playing a G to an E minor. This finger, the first finger, the index finger, does not move. So you play G, then to E minor. You see, this finger has not moved. So it is important to understand that, so it will be easier to shift from one chord to another, from G to an E minor. So G, E minor. Then to go to C, you'll see that the middle finger does not move from the 4th string on the 2nd fret. So when you're shifting from an E minor to a C, you just need to lift up your index finger and your ring finger, and you have your C chord. Then from a D, that's where you have to shift all the fingers. Then you go to your D. So the best thing, because there are chords where you have to lift up all your fingers, it's best if you understand, so your fingers form the shape of the chord before you hold the chord exactly, right? And take it slow. Understand the chords, understand the shapes. Try it with your eyes closed and see if you can play it perfectly. Another thing that is a problem while learning guitar in the first stages is burying the notes in such a way that you play, let me try and bar. You get a voice that is not clear. That is brought about by your finger lying on a string that is slightly below it. So you use our fingertips to press the strings such that we allow room for the other strings beneath to ring. At first it might seem a little bit hard, but with time and with practice, your fingers will get used to that. At first there is some pain, but after a few weeks, continuous practicing, it it will be easier for you to do it, to memorize the chords and to shift them seamlessly. Yeah, thank you. So next lesson, we are going to look at some basic chord progressions. Yeah, see you on the next one.